Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So something really cool is happening tomorrow. You guys have waited an entire year for this since the release of the iPhone 12. Apple has released, well, sent out the invites for tomorrow's event. A lot of you haven't checked it out. Here's the invite. So as you can see in the invite, sometimes what Apple does is they leak or they suggest or they hint at what might be taking place tomorrow by looking at the invite, where Apple hints at what might be taking place tomorrow. And here's the video. Okay guys, so let me show you something super cool here. So what you guys want to do is you guys want to go to the Apple.com event site. So you guys want to with the iPhone, or I suppose even with your Android phone, depends if it supports AR or whatever. So you're gonna go to this invite, which is gonna be in the description, and then you're gonna click and hold on the you're gonna click the Apple logo in the center, okay, and then you're gonna wait for it to load. Okay, cool. So once you have that, you're gonna see a floating Apple logo. I mean, of course it's floating. It's in front of my hand, yeah, but I'm trying to grab it, but you can't. So it's kind of cool. And what you're gonna do is you actually wanna go into the Apple logo itself. I mean, you wanna actually really just want to really go into the Apple logo. I mean, you can go through the leaf if you really wanted to, and of course, I mean, this Apple invite, of course, hints at what may be coming in tomorrow's event. So I mean, you can go through into the Apple logo. The very dark black is probably hinting at the new the rumored black iPhone that's coming. I mean, the last sick black iPhone that I've seen was the iPhone, the one that came out in, was it the iPhone 7? It was the iPhone 7 in jet black, which I really wanted because I thought that was the sickest looking iPhone ever, the sickest color ever. Yeah, so. And then of course this event is called California Streaming, so which I presume hints at either it's going to hint at the new facility that Apple has regarding being directly connected to a satellite if your phone drops out of a cell phone reception. Either that, or it's going to hint at the new standard 5mm the millimeter wave 5G will be standard across all iPhones in all countries. Either that, or it may hint at, which I'm quite amped for, which I think is the next big step in technology for the next 5 years, is Wi-Fi 6E, which is going to be the biggest step since Wi-Fi 5, and of course, I mean, that's going to the speeds are going to be instantaneous. I mean, you're going to actually feel like your home internet, your fiber, your ADSL, whatever, is actually faster than what it used to be, because you don't have that lag anymore. So you're going to feel like your internet connection is faster, but even though it's not faster, it just there's less packet collisions from your router to your phone. Your phone will download things faster. Your phone will intercept packages faster. It'll be super fast. Which is quite exciting. I think Wi-Fi 6E will be possibly the biggest updates for quite some time, which I'm totally looking forward to. So yeah, I mean, this is looking pretty darn sick. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have a video in the next few hours regarding what I think may be released at at tomorrow's Apple event, and then of course I'll be posting a video post event tomorrow to say what happened, or highlights of what happened. So yeah, be sure to like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching my video.